Jay, today I will tell you the steps to prepare for a group check-in.
Thank you. Yes, that will help me with the group that is checking into the hotel later in the month.
To ensure that a group has a great stay at the hotel, we must be prepared right from the reservation stage itself. Confirm the group booking details with the organizer. Make sure the number of rooms and room type is correctly fed into the system. You must remember to get the rooming list for the group in advance, so that you can block the rooms.
I feel we must block the rooms close to each other. The last time we had a group, they were all over in the corridor. We received complaints from other guests during that time.
You are correct. By blocking all rooms from the group in the same section, we can avoid disturbance to other guests in the hotel. But also remember to block rooms as per the preference.
What else should I check?
Make sure that the payment details are updated. Most groups will need to make payment in advance. Do check with finance if the advance has been received. Finally, you must also prepare a group information sheet and have a group meeting with all departments. This will help you share information and some key points about the group with the entire hotel.
Okay, I understood what all to do for the group in the reservation stage. What should we do during the check-in?
During the check-in phase, we must ensure that the front desk has all the details available to them to ensure a swift check-in. We must ensure we are ready to welcome the guest. If possible, we must ensure that we have a separate check-in counter for the group so that the front desk does not get crowded. As you will have all the details for the guest, make sure that you offer express check-in. Distribute the key cards to all guests and also share any welcome letter that you have prepared. Also give them a quick overview of the hotel while you are guiding them to their rooms.
What all information should the welcome letter have?
Every group is different and you will have different information. However, some points are common. You must have the check-in and check-out timing. You must also have the venue for the guest breakfast and meals clearly mentioned in the letter. If the group has any special billing instruction, then we must let them know about it. You can also have information about the opening and closing time for the gym, spa and swimming pool. And finally, if there is any banquet event for the group in the hotel, make sure that the banquet coordinator meets the organizer and sets the venues as per instruction.
Thank you for letting me know how to prepare for a group check-in. Now let me go and prepare for the future groups.